This is our audio production studio, and today I'm going to be showcasing some of our audio production equipment and what we practically do in the studio. I am Nkwain Chiambah, and this is CMTV Media Audiovisual and Television Production Guide. Stay tuned.
Chillen Media, a multimedia and communication company with our prime objective: provide professional audiovisual services like music recordings, video coverages, and photography, TV branding, TV installation and programming. Provide media content to your TV, and it's a professional advertisement agency. You can contact us using the number 697 87 29 76 or 677 29 13 00. C Media. Creativity is never enough.
It's my F again.
Due to time constraint, I'm going to end here. But on subsequent editions, I'm going to bring to you more on audio engineering.
If this video was helpful, please subscribe to our blog for more videos and updates. Also follow us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe to our channel.
I am Nkwain Chiambah, and this is CMTV Media Audiovisual and Television Production Guide. Stay tuned.
This edition of Chillen Media Audiovisual and Television Production Guide is sponsored by Coverport Beats.